Hi everyone, and welcome to another Click Intelligence video. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the truth about link building in 2020 and beyond. We get asked by our clients all the time what the best link building strategies they should be using. My first recommendation to my clients will be start with directories. These are going to be real quality and relevant directories to your business or to your client. So we're going to start with local directories. So let's say you have a plumber client, you want to make sure that they are listed on local directories where they are based, maybe in a village or a town. Then if they're part of an industry body as well, so making sure that they're listed within a directory system within that website. And then the last, what I call the top 50 list, so where you would type in a search result with top 50 plumbers in location. Those type of websites that will appear. You want to make sure that you're also listed on those type of websites. Once you've achieved and built all your directory links, we move on to the second part of this, which is content marketing. So you're either going to need a great product, service, content or asset. Once you've got those elements in place, we can then start to look at the content marketing strategy and tactics. The first one we're going to talk about is blogger outreach. Essentially, this is where you would research relevant and quality blogs and maybe websites, and then start to outreach to these blogs or websites, offering content and value to the website owner. And this could be either via content, video, or even infographic content. The next strategy I'd recommend would be resource link building. That is where you would create some high quality pillar content that may be content, video or infographic based. You would then outreach to maybe an industry website or industry body type website that is linking to other high quality resource piece of content, and you introduce the idea they should also link to you as well. So this is a great way to get the really high quality links pointing back to your website. Another similar strategy we would recommend our clients would be broken link building. Similar to resource link building, where you would build a great piece of content for people to kind of link to, you do the same thing with broken link building with a pillar content, images, maybe videos. But then you'd also go and research where your competitors might be getting links from perhaps, or industry body type websites, and then from this you'd use various tools to find where that website would have broken links on it. And similar to resource link building, you would then introduce your idea they should link to you by giving them some value in terms of, hey, you've now got some, we found some broken links to your website. At the same time, we've been reading some really good resource. Why don't you link to this as well? So it's just another way to get that kind of high quality link pointing back to your website. The last strategy we're going to talk about today is EDU link building, the holy grail of any link building campaign. And the way that we would always recommend and suggest you acquire these links from the EDU and education websites is through scholarship programs, real scholarship programs, where you would outreach to these universities and other educational websites and offer their students the opportunity to apply for your scholarship program. Thanks for watching our video. If you've got any questions or comments, please add them to the comment section below the video, and we'll see you again on our next video. Bye bye.